Hi there, welcome to the Lawrence Podcast. 2024 is going to end and entering 2025. If you are a first home buyer, stay tuned because Budget 2025 is going to help you save up to 5,000 ringgit on your tax relief. So Malaysia government is giving up to 7k tax relief for first home buyer. You can save up to 5,250 ringgit for 3 years. So if you are earning less than 40,000 per year, sorry, this is not related to you. And if you are earning 50,000 and above, this may help you a little bit if you are planning to buy a house between 2025 to 2027. The announcement of Budget 2025 by the Malaysia government for first home buyer tax relief is 7,000 for property price below 500,000 or 5,000 tax relief for the property price between 500,000 to 750,000 property. If you are looking to buy a house is more than 750 ringgit, I'm sorry, this is also not related to you. A disclaimer first, I am not a tax agent. If my understanding of the budget is wrong, please comment below and we learn together. So let's dive in. Why do I say it only help a little bit? Because you are not saving 5,000 or 7,000 if you are buying a house in 2025. It is deduct on your taxable amount. To understand this, you need to understand how do we submit our income tax. We just need to pay the tax on our taxable income. Your total annual income is going to deduct all your tax relief. Only you can know how much is your chargeable tax income. Here is a chart for the tax relief. The basic one is 9,000 for everyone, and then I assume EPF you are working for a full-time job, and then the other depending if you have the invoice or not. So for example, your annual income is 50,000, so we deduct 9,000 for individuals and then 4,000 for EPF. So the total taxable income for you is 37,000. So here's the chart of the tax rate between amount. You have a different percentage. For the highest is 30% if your taxable income is more than 2 million, congratulations. And then for today's example, we are using 37,000 and then your tax rate will be 6%, which is 720 you need to pay for your income tax. So back to today's topic for housing relief, it does not mean that you can directly deduct the 7,000. So the 7,000 is deduct at the taxable income, which is 37,000. So your new taxable income is 30,000, which bring your percentage down to 3%. So now you only need to pay 50 ringgit for your income tax. So total you will be saving 670 ringgit for the year. And then you can claim up to 3 years, so times 3, but depending on your income next year. For example, your taxable income is 150,000, you can save up to 1,050 per year, and then 3 years will be 5,250. This example is when you are purchasing the housing price below 500,000, so your SPA price must be below 500,000. So if you are purchasing the house between 500,000 to 750,000, then the calculation is different, and then you will be having other tax relief which I did not include because this is just a general and then basic calculation. You may deduct your internet, your whatsoever, you may refer to the list and or your tax agent will be better. So for every individual, for the tax calculation and saving may be different, and then may or may not related to you because everyone have different background and then we will have different tax relief. For this tax relief, I do not think that government is wanted to push and then will boost our property market because as our calculation just now, if you're earning 150,000 per year, you're only going to save 5,000. If you're earning that much, it's also kind of small to you. And then this budget is also not really helping our low-income families. So I don't think this tax relief really will boost the market. If you're going to plan to buy a house in 2025 to 2027, maybe you can talk to your tax agent and do a discussion to help save more tax when coming to buying your property. Because they already give the tax relief, why don't you just use it? So we'll see you in your next episode. Bye!